Our next award is for actress in a leading role in drama. To present it, please welcome a man who's enjoying a fairy tale career. It even starts with Once Upon a Time. Yes, it's the star of Once Upon a Time, Colin O'Donoghue.
The women nominated in this category have all created strong performances that are entertaining, enthralling and memorable. The nominees are
Katrina Balfe, Outlander.
The Scots just want the same freedoms we enjoy. Freedoms we take for granted. They are not the aggressors, Captain, we are. It is their land and we are occupying it.
Michelle Beamish, on Brontonas.
Fiachra war Jacob. Agus an ben ar mod.
Maria Doyle Kennedy, Corp agus Anam.
Lista connachtaí, níl bheith mac anam tú gan stúrthirí. Cos na wires. Níl a gceist a cuarta, ní bhaid barra le duine beag of éonmhain go gleist, tá sé pránach.
Charlie Murphy, Love Hate.
Next time I see you, it'll be in court, you smile.
Yeah, but you're always sick in the head, weren't you? Poor Siobhan, my word against yours.
Yeah, if Fran hadn't kept Get's little finger bomb. Didn't know about that, did you? Found out that from Dean, I got it now. It's amazing what you can do when you hate someone as much as I hate.
And the IFTA goes to Charlie Murphy, Love Hate.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I just want to say thank you to all the Love Hate producers and the cast and crew. You've been my family for the last 5 years, and indeed my own family, and my sisters, in particular my little sister Becky, who drilled lines with me at one point at 4 a.m. in the morning with fantastic impressions of Nidge that eased the pain. But I want to dedicate this to Kieran. You've been with me from the very beginning. You helped me with my audition for Siobhan, and you were there till the bullet, so thank you.